Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And people next to these giant pillars look so small. And I wish there was some people that was right in front of it right now. But this little family will be in a moment. On our way to the Leste do Rua de Leste do Mercado de São Domingos. So let's go through this way. Let's see. Oh. And this one is one of these. Okay, so this street's called the Rua Leste do Mercado de São Domingos, which is basically street of the west of the market of São Domingos, St. Dominic's. So St. Dominic's is this is Soriano right here, and then St. Dominic's is this yellow church right here. So we're gonna start by going over to the church, and then we're gonna walk down towards this little Mercado and see all the shops in here. And we're gonna go all the way down there, and there's a nice temple at the end, a Chinese temple. So we got a Portuguese church that we're gonna start at, and a Chinese temple, and a marketplace. So stay tuned for Rua Leste do Mercado de São Domingos 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So before we go down, we'll start with the St. Dominic's Church, which is right around the corner, and then we'll go down to the market and go down to the Chinese temple. And the St. Dominic's Church is right here. So it's noted by these giant yellow pillars. And people next to these giant pillars look so small. And I wish there was some people that was right in front of it right now. But this little family will be in a moment. So kind of cool. And this goes up to Portuguese consulate is up there, Sao Paulo ruins, Portuguese bookstore. This direction goes to Senado Square. And this square here is kind of a big centerpiece. I think we're going to come around to this one anyways after the market. So so stay tuned for that. But we'll give you an idea what it looks like from this angle. Hello. So we're going to end up down here in a moment, but we're going to be going down our little Mercado, which is down that way. So stay tuned for that. It's kind of cool. So let's go down to the marketplace. São Domingos, Mercado de São Domingo. If you go inside, there's a nice church. We'll just do a little bit of a 360 before we go down. Way over there, you can see it. It's Grand Lisboa Casino. It's way up to the top of those buildings up there. You can see it way up there at the top. Okay. So now we're gonna go slightly through Soriano Lane on our way to the Leste do Rua de Leste do Mercado de São Domingos. So let's go through this way. And then you can see basically there's clothing, pants, socks, sweaters, jeans, underwear, socks, magnets, keychains, socks, pantyhose, towels, socks, there's like a little Japanese thing in here. Don't know what that is, but there's a Japan map. Okay, so let's continue on. There's more clothing here, more underwear, underwear, stuff like that. Shirts, dresses for girls, t-shirts for boys, shoes, bras, more shorts. Get a lot of undergarments here, it appears. Clothing, more clothing. This is a little discount store, so you can buy lots of shirts. And then now you can see our Target Street, which is Rua Leste de Mercado del São Domingos. So let me just kind of capture the corner here. And now you can step back a little bit. Hello. So that's kind of the stretch all the way down, and that's actually Leste, the east side of the market of São Domingos. And then this is the north side, Norte. And then you can see Grand Lisboa Casino. This one they're gonna make it into a hotel. I'll tell you about that in a minute. And then we also have more of our marketplace down in here. And let me just kind of walk in briefly. So this marketplace, they sell fish, it says pescado, but they don't have any right now. So this is all fish, pescado. Let me just go in a little circle here. This looks like it's all pescado, so it's all fish. That's kind of cool. And then this is the another street with the markets. So you can see it goes all the way down. So you had, I think this one is maybe the east. Yeah, can't remember. I can't remember Leste. I can't remember if Leste is east or west. This one is more pescado, more fish. It smells like fish. And we're gonna come back this way. This is salted fish, peixe salgado. And then we're gonna come back out here to our Leste, the east or west. I forget which way is Leste. The Weste and Leste. I forget. Okay, so we're gonna continue down. This golden one right here, they're gonna make it into a hotel. It's kind of a budget hotel. Hard beds, small rooms, low prices, great locations. And they're usually called Familia. So they're usually like called Familia. There's a name in Portuguese, Posada? Something like that. Looks like salted fish, shark fin maybe? Another bra shop, lots of those here. Pants, shorts and underwear, jewelry, knickknacks, and Macau t-shirts. Lots of Macau t-shirts. And then it ends with a supermarket, and or not a market, but a restaurant, and I think, and there's more underwear again. Surprise. And there's a stinky tofu one here. I think it's that one. Oh, this one. Hello. Let's see. Oh. And this one is one of these. Ah, okay. Looks really good. Hi. Thank you. So, Vida, so this restaurant is right on the side, so if you do get a chance, come to this one. So they got good food there. Thank you. It's pretty cool. Well, that thing's good. All right.
Wait. Whoa.
Yay.
Hey. Edible.
That's pretty cool. So, okay. So that's going to be our Target Street. And we came out to here, which is Hotel Centro. And then we have this little marketplace right here, Leste de Mercado de São Domingos. And then that one goes out where you can see Grand Lisboa. And then I believe that's going to be the end of our street. This is Barbeiro Travessa. And that goes out to Avenida de Praia Grande. It's beautiful colored buildings. And I told you I was gonna go to this temple right here as well. So we're gonna finish there. Thank you. So we're gonna come back there. That's our little place down that way. And then this temple is where we're gonna end. So kind of cool. So that might be a good reference point for somebody to find that restaurant and patron her business. So this is going to be our final one. So this temple is 1723 to 1795. Oh, they're doing some serious construction right here. Huh. And then this is the temple that we're going to end on. Wow, the ship is beautiful. That shape of a ship it looks like. I'm not going to walk in because I don't want to capture the Buddhist image. But this is a Taoist temple, is it? And they're doing some construction work right here. There's a Central Hotel, and we're gonna sneak back by here. There's the Mercado right there, so Domingos Mercado. There's the Central Hotel right there, and then they're doing some kind of construction right here. And then we're ending on this temple. And our marketplace was right down that little alley. And you can see here's that marketplace. So they got fresh fruits, fish, pork, beef, vegetables, clams, oysters. Pretty cool. Okay. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.